When the world counts you out, when life breaks your strength, remember, God never writes failure into the destiny of His children. You were born for glory. I've walked through days that felt too heavy, seasons where my hope almost broke. People ask you, sure, say God's still there, but deep inside I hear His voice speak. Child, I kept you for a reason. Even this valley gets purpose. Your tears know they fall in vain. Your destiny still they rise. Life throw me fire, but Jesus hold my tomorrow. Now His light they guide my steps, even when road bend like sorrow. Chukwukurumoku agagiada, iodere banyere ndunga eme. I am destined for glory. No matter the battle, the story is His. I am destined for glory. His hand on my life, no fit miss. Even when darkness whispers defeat, grace stands up and speaks for me. I am destined for glory. Yes, destined for glory, because Jesus lives inside of me. Sometimes the road is slow like Lagos traffic, and dreams they drag like broken feet. But God remind me, say delay no be denial. Greatness still they beat inside my chest. People fit mock, people fit judge, people fit ask where you're God. But the same people go testify when Jehovah turned my night to morning. My scars no shame me. They preach the gospel of survivor. My past no hold me. The cross don't rewrite my future. Agagi makusitu kwa sigi obi, inakagi kamdi nudo. I am destined for glory. Every storm preparing me for joy. I am destined for glory. Every pain producing strength inside. Even in shadows He walks with me, turning my weakness into victory. I am destined for glory. Oh, destined for glory, because Jesus keeps lifting me. I am not a mistake, I am not forgotten, I am not here to be broken. I was created, designed, carried for glory. For it is written, the path of the righteous shines brighter and brighter unto the perfect day. My life must shine, my destiny must rise, my glory must appear, because God said so. I am destined for glory. No chain can hold what God has free. I am destined for glory. No sorrow can bury what He decreed. My name is written on His heart. My journey covered by His blood. I am destined for glory. Destined for glory. This life, this soul.